It's awesome.
ये बंदूकें हैं वो पाउडर से चलती हैं
Oh my god.
पाउडर डालते हैं वो सामने वो देखो
Amigo, ancient guns with the gunpowder.
yes
And I know what these are. These are from Germany. You guys have the M1 Caribbean, of course.
these are mixed some from Germany some from like these are
That's amazing.
all are mixed
Is that a Nazi flag? I want to see what the. Is that a flag or something? Flag right over there, yeah.
no it doesn't have any flag it's your mark
I can't describe what the flag is, but that's amazing. Wow.
and these are the pistols the old one
Oh yeah, the World War II times. The pistols from the old time, amigo. Welcome to the ancient city. What you think about Pakistan? Peshawar, good place?
yes good place
Good place, I know. Amazing place. See, mucho diferente than
Yeah.
Mexico.
yeah oh different
Good. So, amigo, you seeing over here? This is how they make the armas over here. Okay. Each door is a different department.
okay
Department, the armas.
oh
Over there, you seeing the guy fixing the barrel and stuff. He's filing it, you know.
okay
But the people they don't use the machine. They basically use manual methods with their hand. So that's pretty amazing. You see, and it's an art. They've been doing this for the past 300 years. It's a generational thing, yeah. Yeah, it's an art. It's an art. It's an art. I'm telling you. So you're filing it right now.
yeah
Delta Americans zatrazita sotar
American na Chinese just got
Chinese de zatrazi.
Chinese
Ha.
wow Let the bill branches dila kada
Like kache America the guns they have interest there.
oh this happens for Canada bilkul
They love guns over there. This is also where they're sanding the gun.
yeah
Pretty much he's sanding the barrel. It looks amazing. Engraving.
oh okay that's it
See engraving.
और मिटावी ना मिटावना वाला बल का स्टाफ को इधर आज मारना कर हां
He's got nothing engraved. Sheikh, nice.
ده بقى سعودي يعني اكيد والله ده اللي بيقولي هو قد زياده شيء وفصل ساكن شو بس تقولي كويس يعني
That looks really satisfying to watch.
ده big one no ده بالكل مان ولا سايد ده
زبردست شيء ده ها M4 rifle. Nice. Look, we got Bretta over here. This is a German Bretta right here, 9mm, known as Teasball.
no sugar
The sugar.
We got Jose over here. Jose, you like?
Yes, I like.
Amazing, amazing. Jose from Mexico.
Just going to show you each step.
This Americano,
Manufacturing this.
Oh, okay.
amigo, Americano Policia.
Yeah.
Te gusto the arma de Glock 19. Te gusto.
Oh, okay.
No available civilian in the United
Yeah.
States. Estados
It's
Unidos,
Glock?
sí, sí, amigo.
Yeah.
The original de Tasso Delta जोड़ा हुआ था.
Full yo-yo पुर्जा local made. Fully local made.
दिलते के ही उस पे गोरी जीबे चक्कर में
हाँ सही रहा. चीनी पे किंच था.
The switch the switch को बता दो पेज निकल like semi automatic चेदे again automatic जो Glock की Delta switch राजी.
Lock switch move से रश्तरी.
वो खैर आता please.
These colors are also available in
Amazing, amazing.
Nice.
And this is the one, the extended magazine.
yes, extended mag.
This is automatic?
See, amigo. This is the Glock switch.
Oh, okay.
Da kam Glock bandi lagi Dalishi Glock Gen 19 or which one?
1919X.
1919X.
Yes.
And 19X is a common model.
Yes, it's the most common one.
अच्छा.
आपको 10-15 गोलियां आ जाती हैं.
जी, बिल्कुल.
आपको वो शौक पूरा नहीं होगा. तो इसके लिए हमने ये बनाया है. Glock 50 round.
Extended magazine.
Actually अभी फिट नहीं है लेकिन फिट हो जाता है. Glock 96 वगैरह हम इसके लिए.
अच्छा.
50 round बना.
सही, amazing. अच्छा, AR-15 का ऑटोमेटिक ट्रिगर मिलता है, बना सकते हैं आप.
Okay.
7.62 की चेम्बर्ड AK-47 अगर हो गई, मतलब गलील की बात करें,
अच्छा. अब मैं
उसका जुगाड़ बताएं.
बताता हूँ. यहाँ की जो कीमत है ना, हुकूमत हमें कहती है कि आपने सिर्फ 9mm पीस बोर्ड और 2G बनानी है बस.
अच्छा,
इसके अलावा हम ना मैन्युफैक्चरिंग कर सकते हैं, ना उनके पार्ट्स बेच सकते हैं, बहुत सकती है.
अच्छा,
खासकर AK-47 पर.
ठीक है,
उसका हम एक कुछ भी नहीं बेच सकते.
ठीक है.
वो दरे से आपको मिलेंगे सब कुछ उसका.
दरे से मिलेंगे.
ना नंबर पर जिकान 50 बोली लेकर.
What do you think, amigo? Muy bien.